ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाक्य बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद we were seeing on page 346. Second mantra is going on in Saptanna Brahmana. In this, the first four annam, they are sadhana. And the next three annam are sadhya. Prathama anna is sadharanam annam. Then next two, for Devata, Darsha Purnamasa. And the Chaturtham is Payaha, which is for Pashu. Even though in the mantra krama it was given at the end, Pathakrama. Mantra Pathakrama it was 7th, but here it is given as Chaturtham. Why? Because it is put together with sadhana. Darsha Purnamasa is also sadhana. This one is also sadhana. So they are Pindikritya Upadesha. In this regard, there is a Vartika, Shloka Vartika. यस्य येनार्थ संबंधो दूरस्थेनापि तस्य तत् अर्थतो ह्यसमर्थानाम आनंतर्यम अकारणम. You don't have to write. If you want, you can write down. Yasya yenartha sambandho दूरस्थेनापि तस्य तत्. अर्थतो ह्यसमर्थाना मानंतर्यम अकारणम. So what it says is this, that one yasya kasya chetapi yena artha sambandha, that by which it has artha sambandha, even if it is dura. So this is normally also it is like that. When in Gurukula we have seen, so acharyas or vidyarthis or mahatmas, wherever they live, yasya yena artha sambandha, if this student has sambandha with somebody else, even if they are far, they are sambandhi of each other. The immediate next, there may be no sambandha. So durasthenapi tasya tat sambandha. Like normally, if two people they get along with each other, they may be staying far from each other, but this fellow will talk to that person, this fellow will meet that person, and the immediate next person, so there is no sambandha. So here also, Darsha Purnamasa has sambandha with Payaha, because they have sadhanatva, something common in them. So therefore they have sambandha. Some pathantaras could be there in such shlokas, because similar thing might be quoted elsewhere with little difference like that. See Tika now. Pathkramastarhi, second paragraph on 346. Pathkramastarhi katham iti ashankyartha kramena tad badham abhipretya aha. So then, kathan tarhi pathakrama, this is the ashanka. Then why pathakrama is like this? Iti ashanka arthakramena tad badham. By arthakrama, pathakrama, bhada is done. In Bhashya, साधनत्व अविशेषात अर्थ संबंधात आनंतर्यम अकारणम इति च. साधनत्व अविशेषात means samanyam. Sadhanatva is samanyam between darsha purnamasa and paya. So they are together. Artha sambandhat anantaryam. This anantaryam is there. Anantaryam akaranam. That is there in the shloka that I gave. Chaturtha pada. Anantaryam akaranam. That is from here. Bhashyakar, whenever he writes something, he has so many things in his mind. The Shloka Vartika of Kumaril Bhatta. Kumaril Bhatta has written this Vartika on Purva Mimamsa Sutra Bhashya of Shabar Swami. And he wanted that Kumaril Bhatta also writes Brahma Sutra Bhashya Vartika. So he went to Kumaril Bhatta. Then he sent him to Sureshwaracharya ji. Then others objected. All these things happened. Anantaryam Pathakramaha. Anantaryam is Pathakrama. Akaranatvam Avivakshitatvam. Anantaryam Akaranam means Pathakrama is Avivakshita. In other words, the implied meaning of this is not in Pathakrama. The implied meaning you should find in Arthakrama. Pathakramad Arthakramasya baliyastvat tena itarasya badhyatvam iti etat prathame tantre sthitam. Pathakramad Arthakrama is balavan, baliyas. Iyasun pratyay, baliyas. Baliyastvat. Tena tasya, tena itarasya, tena arthakramena itarasya pathakramasya badha, badhyatvam. This is shown where prathame tantre sthitam. See what is prathama tantra, 12 number tippani. Prathame tantre jaiminiye arthacha, this is a sutra. There it is given. Tatra shlokau agnihotram juhoti iti yavagum pachati iti cha. This is the shloka. This much is enough for us. Iti cha in Bhashya, it is Vyakhyana Pratipatti Saukaryacha. And it is also easy for Vyakhyanam, for commenting. You club what is together, so then that's why when they explain also some topic, if we have understood something, then what is immediately relevant and connects to that, that is explained immediately. And something else could be explained much later. So what is relevant, you combine those topics in explanation. That is given in Tika. Pashvannasya chaturthatvena vyakhyane hetvantaram aha. Why Pashvannam is explained fourth one? Because Vyakhyana Pratipatti Saukarya cha. Vyakhyana Vyakhyanancha Pratipattischa iti Vyakhyana Pratipatti. Tayoho Saukaryat. If you take them, Pratipatti Saukaryam also, Vyakhyana Saukaryam. In Tika, it is given in that way. व्याख्यान सौकर्यं साधयति, then pratipatti सौकर्यं prakatayati. So there are two things. One is it is easy to explain and it is easy to understand. Pratipatti is also there. So Vyakhyana and Pratipatti, between them there is Dvandva. And Tayoho Saukaryam. Then Tasmat Saukaryacha. व्याख्यानंच प्रतिपत्तिश्च इति व्याख्यान प्रतिपत्ति दीर्घ it will become द्विवचनम, द्वंद्व समास. Saukaryam means it is easy. टीका. व्याख्यान सौकर्यम साधयति सुखम ही नैरंतर्येण व्याख्यातुं शक्यन्ते अन्नानि व्याख्यातानि च सुखम प्रतीयन्ते. सुखम ही नैरंतर्येण व्याख्यातुं शक्यन्ते अन्नानि. So first you should define continuously all the sukham means sukhena. This is sukham shakyante. Sukham vyakyatum shakyante. Sukham will be kriya visheshanam. And sukham vyakhyatani cha sukham pratiyante. There is also kriya visheshanam. So continuously, if you can define something without skipping or changing the topic, it is easy. That's why sukham hi nairantaryena vyakyatum shakyante annani. All. Second, when explained, then sukham pratiyante. It's jnanam also, it is easy. How? See in the tika now. Chatvari sadhanani, trini sadhyani iti. 4 sadhana, 3 sadhya. So these 3 sadhyas will be defined in the next mantra. They are manaha, pranaha and shrotra.
Vachaha, Swamiji.
Vachaha.
Yes.
Mano vacham pranam. It is given on 354. Mano vacham pranam. Further, so chatvari sadhanani trini sadhyani iti vibhajya uktau vaktru shrotro saukaryena dhir bhavati tatascha pathakramati kramaha shreyan ityarthaha. उक्तौ वक्तृ श्रोत्रोः सौकर्येण धीर भवति. Vakta means the acharya who is commenting, Shrota the one who is listening. For both of them, this is easy. It is easy. In other words, what he is saying is, if Pathakrama needs to be changed for some purpose, some reason, that it will become easy to define, it will become easy to understand, you can take that liberty. सौकर्येण धीर भवति. ततश्च मीन्स तस्मात् कारणात् पाठक्रम अतिक्रमः श्रेयान्. पाठक्रम अतिक्रम श्रेयान्. श्रेयस शब्द will become श्रेयान्. There also iyasun pratyay is there. Next page. पश्वन्नस्य सर्वाधिष्ठानत्व विषयम् मंत्रम अवतार्य प्रश्नपूर्वकम तदीयम ब्राह्मणम व्याचष्टे. Now you said this Payah is Pashuvannam, which is Sarvadhishtanatva Vishayam. In this way it is given. On that there is a question. Tasmin sarvam pratishthitam yaccha praniti yaccha na iti asya ko artha iti uchyate. You said tasmin sarvam pratishthitam yaccha praniti yaccha na. So what is the meaning of that? Tasya ko artha? Tasmin pashvanne payasi sarvam adhyatma adhibhuta adhiदैव lakshanam kritstam jagat pratishthitam. In this Pashvanna Payah, all Adhyatma Adhibhuta Adhidaiva, everything is Pratishtitam, Kritstam Jagat. Everything rests in that. What is that? Yacha Praniti, Pranacheshtavat, Yacha Na, Sthavaram Shailadi. Even like rocks, etc. Shailadi, Parvatadi, they all also are Pratishtita in Payaha. Now somebody will ask how Bhagavan Bhashyakar is writing. See, he will explain. He knows what he is doing. In his writings, he had maximum people objecting whatever he wrote. Right? All were standing as Purvapaksha only, always. So he is always prepared. Arabhecha chinta. Jeshyami sarvani is always ready. Let us start discussing. I will win over everybody. I have no problem. So whenever he makes any statement, he knows that somebody or other, everything they'll be objecting. Tika. Mantrad bhedo brahmane na pratibhati iti ashankyaha. There is no bheda from mantra in brahmana. Tatra hi shabdena eva prasiddha avadyotakena vyakhyatam. Hi shabda is there in brahmana. So that's why hi shabda is prasiddha avadyotaka. Prasiddhi is given by that. Tika. Payasi hi iti brahmane. See, it is given. Payasi hi iti brahmane hi shabdasya prasiddha avadyotakatvam asti. Means this is very well known that in milk everything is there. How he will explain? Tena cha hetuna hi shabdena tasmin ityadikam mantrapadam vyakhyatam iti yojana. Because of this hetu, by hi shabdena tasmin ityadikam mantrapadam vyakhyatam. Mantrapada vyakhya is done because of this prasiddhi. Mantrarthasya loka prasiddhi abhavat na prasiddha avadyotina hi shabdena vyakhyanam yuktam iti shankate. Purvapakshi. He says this mantrartha is not loka prasiddhi abhavat. Nobody feels that everything is sthitam in payaha. Right? A pratisthita of this jagat is in chaturtha annam, payaha, is not prasiddha. Na prasiddha avadyotina hi shabdena vyakhyanam yuktam. Therefore, this vyakhyanam is not yuktam. Katham payo dravyasya sarva pratishtatvam? Purvapakshi is asking in Bhashya. Tika. Karyam karane pratishthitam iti nyayena Vaidikim prasiddhim adaya samadhatte. Karyam karane pratishthitam. This is very well known. So any karya has to reside in karana. Like ghata is in mrittika. Like that. Karyam karane pratishthitam. Or in kapala. Iti nyayena vaidikim prasiddhim. It is known in Vedas. Karanatvam. Now, so what is the simple understanding? That all beings that you see, their life is sustained in the beginning itself because of paya. Milk is going to support all humans and animals. And through Agnihotra, the karma phala is in the form of this jagat. That's why Sthavaram, etc., which is karma phala, is also associated with Agnihotra, the karma. Only that's why it is given. Karanatvam cha Agnihotradi karma samavayitvam. Agnihotradi ahuti viparinatmakam cha viparinamatmakam cha jagat krishnam iti shruti smriti vadaha shatasho vyavasthitaha. What is karanam? Agnihotradi tat karma samavayitvam is karanatvam. So in Agnihotra karma, this payaha is what is used as offering. Agnihotradi ahuti viparinamatmakam cha jagat. And what is jagat? It is the karma phala. This is the karma. Vaidika karma, its result is this karma phala, that is this jagat. Somebody says nobody is doing any Agnihotradi now. So then what? We may not be doing it now, but whenever it was done, so its result is this jagat, and that jagat doesn't like every object that is produced, that could be because of laukika karma, that is supporting or that laukika karma is supported by individual is supported by paya. So that is one. And the other way is the karma, Vaidika karma, which in the form of phalam produces this jagat. So in both ways, karma phala is there, jagat, sthavaram, jangamam, both. Tika. Payaso drava dravya matrasya kutah sarva jagat karanatvam iti ashankya. Payasaha drava dravya matrasya. It is a drava dravya. Drava means that which has the fluid nature, that is drava dravya. Payasaha drava dravya matrasya kutaha, how it can be sarva jagat karanam? Means it is one of the nimitta. Sarva jagat karanam, you say Brahma is jagat karanam, and then you say Paya is jagat karanam. Which one is right? So we don't say this is replacing Brahma. This is a nimitta for all this variety that you see, etc. In that it is one nimitta. Because karma phala is responsible for varieties in this way. Tat samavaitve api kuto jagat karanata iti ashankyaha agnihotradi iti. Agnihotra. So Vaidika karma is given pradhanyam, importance, that results in this jagat. Teva ete ahuti hute utkramatas te antariksham avishatah ityadayah shrutivada द्युपर्जन्य व्रीह्यादि क्रमेण अग्निहोत्र आहूत्योर गर्भाकार प्राप्तिम दर्शयन्ति. एते आहुति, these two ahutis. So in Agnihotra you have to do two ahutis both the times. Pratah Agnihotra, Sayam Agnihotra. Both of them two ahutis you have to give for Agni and Surya. Sayam ahuti.
Prajapati, Agni, Prajapati.
Prajapati and Agni. In Tika, in this shloka is given. So, and this krama is also given. Dew, Parjanya, Vrihyadi, Kramena. So, after Adi, Purusha Yoshitau. Third number tippani. So, these are the Panchagni. 5 Agnis are there. Dyuloka, Swarga, Parjanya, the rain. Vrihi means Annam. Then Purusha Yoshit. Through that, Garbha Prapti will happen. And therefore, so this is the krama. How a human being is born. So it is said, for a human being to be born, means a jiva, how will he get manushya sharira? So if that jiva is in Swargadi Loka, through rain, that jiva will come down. Then that jiva will associate itself with some plant, etc. In that plant, what is eatable portion? There, when it is there, then it will be consumed by so many people. But when it is consumed by male, then, and that male who is going to reproduce through female. So in this sequence, these are the 5 Agnis. This is given in Chandogya and Brahadaranyaka also. Agnihotra ahutyor garbhakar praptim darshayanti. And if, let us say that rain falls in ocean, then that jiva again has to go back, become steam and cloud and again rain. If that rain falls into desert where there is no plant, nothing will happen. If that rain falls, means that jiva comes and goes into directly into woman sharira, that doesn't count. It has, because the Chaturtha Agni is Purusha, then Panchama is Yoshit. So it has to go through this krama. This is to show how difficult it is to get human birth. And when we have the human birth, if we don't use it for moksha, then we are losing a great opportunity. Agnau prasta huti samyag adityam upatishthate. You can chant this. Agnau prasta huti samyag adityam upatishthate. Jayate vrishtir.
जायते वृष्टिः
वृष्टिरन्नं ततः प्रजाः.
वृष्टिरन्नं ततः प्रजाः आदित्यमुपतिष्ठते आदित्याय जायते वृष्टिः वृष्टिरन्नं ततः प्रजाः.
Agnau prasta. Prasta means prakshipta ahuti. In Agni, ahuti is offered. When it is done very well, samyak, then adityam upatishthate. From there arises sun. Means that presiding deity, Surya Devata. From Aditya Vrishtihi. Aditya Jayate Vrishtihi. Vrishtehe Annam. Tataha Prajaha. This is the krama. Ityadayah smrutiwadaha. Payasi hi ityadi brahmanam upasamharati. Payasi hi, in milk, indeed. Brahmana upasamharitan. Ato yuktam eva hi shabdena vyakhyanam. And therefore, this vyakhyanam is yuktam. Payasaha sarva jagat adharattvasya shruti smriti prasiddhatvat iti yavat. So, sarva jagat adhara is payas, milk. which is the Chaturtham Annam. टीका सर्वं पयसि प्रतिष्ठितम् इति विदित्सित दर्शन स्तुतये शाखांतरीय मतम निंदितुम उद्भावयति. सर्वं पयसि प्रतिष्ठितम iti, this is the vidhitsita. Vidhitsita means whatever vidhanam is done. Vidhitsita darshana stutaye. So here vidhanam is for upasana. Shakhantariya matam is given, something from another shakha. Why? Ninditum udbhavayati, for ninda. See third number tippani. न दर्शनांतर निंदा तन निषेधार्था किंतु प्रस्तुत दर्शन स्तुत्यर्था. Then you can put inverted commas. नहि निंदा निंद्यम निंदितुम अपितु विधेय स्तुतय इति न्यायात् इति भावः. Videya means stotum. So when something is criticized, it is not for criticism of that. It is to praise something else. Ninda is not for ninda of that. Ninda is for stuti of something else. For example, if let us say you have two things to eat. One which has this white sugar, that's sweet. Another thing has some natural sweetness. So when it is said that, let's say the person does ninda of this sweet which has so much white sugar. Don't eat this, this is bad. So that person's intention is you eat the other one in this way. Like if somebody there in how, to give different example, karma and jnanam. In Bhagavad Gita, karma is also talked about, jnanam is also talked about. And then when person who has to do jnanam, what they will do? A karma ninda will be done in Mundaka Upanishad, etc. That plavahyate adrada yajna rupaha ityadi ityadi. That this karma phalam will be anityam, it is dukkha mishrita. So that karma ninda is somebody who doesn't do anything. Is better to do good karmas. But to praise jnanam, they will do karma ninda. So it is actually stuti of jnanam, not the other way. It is not for ninda of karma. Then between karma, sakama karma, ninda will be done for nishkama karma. There also it is same thing. Shakhantariya matam ninditum udbhavayati. For its ninda, its udbhavanam is done. Yat tad brahmanantareshu idam ahuhu samvatsaram payasa juhvat apa punarmrutyum jayati iti. In some another brahmana, it is given, for 1 year, if somebody worships with the help of payaha, milk, then he will win over apamrutyu. Punaha apamrutyum jayati. So, or punarmrutyum apajayati. In this way also you can do the anvaya. Punarmrutyum apajayati. So there, in the mantra, how it is given? You remember? No. What is said there is not that if he does it for 1 year, then he will win. The first day, when he starts, that time itself, he will win over this punarmrityu. That is how it is I explained. टीका न केवलेन कर्मणा मृत्युजयः किन्तु दर्शन सहितेन इति दर्शयितुम् अग्निहोत्र आहुतिषु संख्यां कथयति. Not only by karma, न केवलेन कर्मणा मृत्युजयः, but किन्तु दर्शन सहितेन. Darshan means upasana. Along with upasana, when he does this, then, and to show that darshayitum agnihotra ahutishu sankhyaam, he gives the number, how many agnihotras you have to do, not one. Samvatsara means how many it will be. Samvatsara means year. In 1 year, how many? 360. Means every day 2 you have to do, morning, evening. See, he gives. Samvatsarena kila trini shashti shatani ahutinam saptacha shatani vimshatischa iti. Yajushmati rishtaka abhisampadhyamanaha samvatsarasya cha ahoratrani. This is very simple math they have done. Samvatsara means trini shashti shatani. Trini shashti shatani. So shashti shatani means, how you should understand, 360. This is 1 month. Trini shashti shatani ahutinam saptacha shatani vimshati. Saptacha shatani vimshati will be 720, means every day 2 you have to do, morning, evening. Saptacha shatani vimshati cha iti. याजुष्मति, याजुष्मति यजुर्वेद, यज्ञ संबंधी याजुष्मति रिष्टका. Ishtaka means the bricks that is given in 1 number tippani. See, pakwa mritkhanda visheshan. Pakaya hua, the baked bricks, pakwa mritkhanda. Abhisampadhyamanaha samvatsarasya cha ahoratrani, day and night. In tika, उक्ता आहुति संख्यायाम संवत्सरावच्छिन्नायाम अग्निहोत्र विदाम संप्रतिपत्त्यर्थम किल इति उक्तम. आहुति संख्या संवत्सर अवच्छिन्न, so it is conditioned by the year. ननु प्रत्यहम सायं प्रातश्च इति आहुति द्वे विद्येते. तत्कथम आहुतीनां षष्ट्यधिकानि त्रीणि शतानि संवत्सरेण भवन्ति. Every day there are 2 ahutis in 360 days. So how do you say 360 ahutis? So you say no, 360 ahoratra. Pratyekam ahoratra vachinna ahuti prayoganam ekasmin samvatsare purvokta sankhya tatraiva prayogardhanam vimshati adhika saptashata rupa sankhya iti siddham ityartha. So 720 ahutis. Ahutinam sankhyam uktva tasu yajushmatinam ishtakanam drishtim aha. So they are like yajna bricks. Tasam api shashtyadhikani trini shatani sankhya bhavanti. The bricks also will be 360. तथा च प्रत्यहम आहुतिर अभिनिष्पद्यमानाः संख्या सामान्येन याजुष्मतिरिष्टकाः चिन्तयेत् इत्यर्थः. So in this way you should do chintanam. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः.